There's a new way to start building in Knack. Now you can build your front end in the AI coding tool you already use and connect it to Knack as your backend. From your Knack dashboard, select Create in your AI tool. You can start a brand new project or connect Knack to an existing project you've already been building. Once you choose how you want to start, Knack walks you through connecting your AI tool using our MCP server. You can connect with tools including Claude Code, Base44, Lovable, Bolt, Replit, OpenAI Codex, or any other AI coding tool that supports MCP. Choose your tool and Knack gives you the configuration details you need to connect and start prompting. Your AI tool handles the front-end experience while Knack provides the back-end foundation for your app, including your relational database, user access, and integrations. So you can keep building in the tools you love without having to build and maintain the back-end from scratch. Ready to connect your AI tool to Knack? Choose Create in your AI tool to get started. Visit knack.com/MCP for more resources and step-by-step guides. Happy knacking!